First of all, rest the body of the guitar horizontally across your right knee and hold the neck with your left hand. With your left hand, rest your thumb to the side of the fretboard and make sure your left hand is relaxed and not tense. The right hand should be placed near the edge of the sound hole, at the side closer to the bridge. This is to ensure that you get the best tone from your guitar. Some people like to put a strap on their guitar. This allows your left hand to move more freely around the fretboard, as it's not needed to hold up the weight of the neck. There are many different ways to hold a plectrum. Here are two of the most common ways. The first way is to place your thumb horizontally across the back of the plectrum and place your index and middle finger over the front of the plectrum, making sure not to cover too much of the tip of the plectrum. A second way to hold the plectrum is to again place your thumb horizontally across the back of the plectrum, but only place your index finger in front of the plectrum with the knuckle of your middle finger acting as a grip against the side of the plectrum, and again making sure not to cover too much of the tip of the plectrum. However, many people have different ways of holding the plectrum. So if you prefer to hold the plectrum in a way that's more comfortable for you, then that's fine. Just remember not to grip the plectrum too tightly, and you should have control over your plectrum whenever playing the guitar.